Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to look at how to link from your Elastic website to another page on your own website or a page anywhere on the internet. To give you some background about what we'll be speaking about today, if you have a look here in the text that I've got, you'll notice that the words simply dummy are a different color. And when I hover on them, they go grey and an underline appears. That tells me that that text is actually a link. And if I click on it, something will happen. In this case, by clicking on it, it takes me to my contact page on my website. Now when I'm linking, I might want to link text, or here what you can see there's a picture of a house. I might want to link the picture to another page on the net. So let's see how to do both of those things. We'll start by learning how to link text. To begin, we need to log into our website, so I scroll to the bottom, click login. I go to enter my username and password. Now remember, if you can't work out what that is or you can't remember, click the forgot password link, enter your email and hit submit, and your username and password will be emailed to you. But I know my username and password, so I'm going to enter them and log in. It would help if I entered them correctly. Just one of our security features here showing you that you only get 5 attempts to log in, and this is a security feature for your site. I'll start by navigating to add edit pages and looking at all the pages that I've got on my site. Now it was the home page that I wanted to add a link to in this particular case. If we just go back and have a look at our home page, we can just remind ourselves of what exists. We've got text and we've got an image. And we're going to start by linking the text. I'll click the edit link and scroll down until I find the text that I'm talking about. Now if the text you want doesn't exist, you need to type it. So I'm going to add some extra text here, and I'm going to put, "This is my link text." Okay, and that's the text I'm actually going to create a link on. Before I can do that though, I need to know what pages I'm going to link to. If it's a page on my own site, that's easy. I can just highlight the text, go up here to global under the links section, and you'll see all of the pages that exist on your Elastic website. Now I want to link that to my contact page. So I'll click on Contact Us, and you'll notice that the link text has now changed. Instead of being black like this, it's blue and it has an underline. That means it's a link. When I click Save and View, you'll see that that text will be orange like this other text, and I can hover on it and it changes, and when I click on it, it takes me to my contact page. I'll just click back to go back to where I came from. But maybe I don't want to link to my actual website. I want to link to another website, one that isn't related to me. I need to find that site first. So if I go to a new tab and I do a Google search, I'm going to search for flowers. And you'll see that the first website that shows up here is Interflora. So I'll click on that link and I'll go to the Interflora website. This is the web or the URL of the Interflora website, and that's what I want to link to. So I'll click on that URL. If I go Control V on my keyboard, or Control C or Command C if you're using a Mac, it'll actually copy that text. I can come back to my website, click Edit, find some text that I'd like to link, so I'll do the text typesetting industry, and then I'm going to click the Add Link button up here. In the URL section, I'll paste the URL I just copied from Interflora. But what I need to do, because it exists already here, this HTTP, I need to remove everything before the www or before the word Interflora here. So http:// I have to remove that. And then I can choose either open in this window or open in a new window. I'm going to choose open in a new window so I can show you what happens. I'll add some title text. I'll use the word Interflora, and I'm going to click this link here, add to global links. Now what that'll do is it's actually going to save all of this information so I can use it again. If this is a website that you're going to link to a lot, then I'd suggest using that. If it's a one-off, then I wouldn't use that because you'll never use it again. There's no point storing that information. I've actually got this information already stored, so I'm not going to click it, but if you wanted to store it, click Add to Global Links. I'll click Add, and you'll notice that Typesetting Industry is now a link. When I click Save and View, I can close the Interflora website because it's going to open up again in a moment. When I click on the link text, you'll see Interflora opens up. But let's say that I wanted to link this image down here. So this is called a text link, but I can also add an image link. Let's try a different website. I'm going to Google dogs. And the first website, or one of the first ones that comes up, is this Wikipedia page here. I'll click on the link, go to the Wikipedia page. Here it is. There's the URL of the page. I've clicked on it once. Control-C or Command-C for a Mac user to copy it. I'll come back to my site and I'm going to link this picture here. At the moment nothing happens if I click on it because there's no link. So let me go Edit, come down to the picture, click on it once, and you'll notice that it turns blue. That means that it's highlighted and ready for something to be done to that image. I'll go to Add, paste in the Wikipedia web page, but remember it's already got the HTTP details there, so I'll get rid of http:// and I'll select open in a new window. I'll put in the word dogs in the title text, and I'll click, in this case, I'm going to click this time on Add to Global Links. Click Add, and now this image has actually been linked. You won't be able to see it though until you click Save and View and go to the page. What you'll notice this time is when I hover on the image, you'll see that the cursor, instead of being like a long eye, it turns into a finger, showing you that everywhere there's a link, the cursor changes to show you there's a link there. If I click on this picture now, it takes me to the Wikipedia page about dogs. So we've seen how to add a text link and how to add an image link. What about if you want to remove those links? What do you do then? Well, click Edit, go to the page where the link is, highlight the text, and click this broken chain symbol here that says Unlink, and it simply takes the link away. Same for images. If you click on that image, you can take away the link. If you want to edit the link slightly, you can highlight the link and click this chain icon just here. And what it does is it brings up the link text there. So instead of going to, I'll use a different example because that's an internal page. If I use this one here, highlight the link text, click the chain. Oh, that was contact as well. Let's change that to a different page. We'll change that to sitemap. Okay, that's another page on my site, and go update. Now that link actually links to sitemap. If you wanted to link it to a different page on your site, you can also use global links. And I'm going to link, this is my link text, to black cars. That's a page about black cars. Click Save and View. When the page loads, when I hover on the link, it becomes a link for black cars. I can click on that, and now I'm on my black cars page. And you can see up here, there's our black cars page. So that's how you link text and images to pages within your own site or to pages elsewhere on the web.